I would do anything demonstrate to you how much I value our love. There are so many reasons to love you more when I think about everything we have in common. You are really great, sweetheart, on the planet, and I will constantly adore you with all that I have. Love you, honey. I am blessed to have you as a sweetheart. You are one individual that has quieted me down more than I suspected on me at any point to do. You are the only person who has helped me realize that life has more surprises for us than we realize. My development as a person has greatly improved a result of your relationship. You are the world best love. I am glad to say it. Baby, I adore and admire you so much. There's nothing I couldn't at any point to tell you that you are the most astonishing darling on the planet. I promise to keep making so much effort to keep this relationship stronger and better. I appreciate everything you have done for us alone. I hear you truly much, honey. I never felt more loved than I do now. Now, when I hold your hand as we go tough through each day, the true meaning of love is revealed. When I look into your eyes, my heart beats faster than it would on a typical day when I am in your arms, dear. You are the only person who truly holds my heart. I adore you deeply. I've seen a lot of people, but none compared to your love and compassion. You are an individual to know my sentiments beyond what some other individual on the planet can at any point be ever. You are on one individual on the planet that cheers me up than anybody can at any point. Oh, there is so much I will do to show you that you have my holy heart, because you are the best. You are the most cute individual to me, child. I cherish you. I feel happy going through each day with you. I believe that being in this relationship with you has made me a better person. One thing that helps me grow is my love for you, and no one has ever been able to touch my heart as deeply as you have, baby. I adore you so much. I realize that love has always kept us together. When I consider how far we come together, I realize we had a ton of difficulties and miscommunication that caused things to happen. Like we planned to head out in different direction. I realize we have had a sequence that caused things to appear like nothing was truly going to work out between us once more. Yet here we are, moving forward and growing in our love for another. I truly value your love and attention, and you are the best, dear. I adore you so much. I will grown as a person as a result of traveling with you through life's journey. I will do everything in my power to nurture your love, which is one of the most amazing gifts I have ever received. Whenever I take a gander at you, I see somebody who I need to enjoy me entire lifetime with. You have won my love away, and all I need for you to keep it with care. Baby, I adore you so much because the world isn't safe for you. I'd rather keep you in my heart. How about we Sam in the expense of affection from one coast to another? I'll get it for you if you tell me what you need. I'll be supplement. If you tell me how you feel, we didn't make love, but it makes us great soul. I will never erase your spirit because you are my soulmate.